Today I'm going to share how to make $100 per day from Google with a really simple twist. So in this video I'll show you the method and I'll show you exactly how this all works. Now some important notes for you, this is 100% free to get started with. It's available worldwide, you do not need any skills or experience, and you do not even need to have a website or an email list for this. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to go over this step by step with you. And look, if you're looking to make some money online with this, you can get started with this today. It will literally take you 10 minutes to get everything set up. And then what I love about this method is not only is it free and it's available worldwide, once you do this, it can actually become a passive income source for you. So once we've gone through all of the steps and what you need to do and what you don't need to do, I'll then share with you how you can make more money with this. We'll go over speeding up the entire process, and then finally, probably the most important part, I'll share how you can automate all of this. So I'll show you how to do this, I'll show you how to speed this up, and I'll show you how to automate this. But ultimately, if you're looking for a simple and an easy way to make money online for free with very little effort, then by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you need to do and what you don't need to do. So let's jump into today's video and I'll show you exactly step by step how to earn $100 per day from Google. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So let's go ahead and start right at the beginning of this method that you can use today to start making money online. So the first part of this is we're going to need a product or a service that we're going to recommend and share, and then you can earn a commission, an affiliate commission for doing so. Now there's a number of platforms that you can use for this. So this is an example of one platform over here. It's called markethealth.com. Over on this website here, you will find hundreds of different products which you can promote and share and earn an affiliate commission for doing so. And you can earn some very good commissions over on here. Now you sign up for free, and then if you go over here where it says offers, you can go ahead and check out all the different offers that are available on here. So if we just scroll to here, I'm just going to click on all offers. You can go through and have a look at the different categories on here, and then you can also have a look at the actual sales page of where people would be landing, where you'd be sending people. So it's really simple. So the first part is you're going to find a product that you want to promote. So this is one website here. It's called markethealth.com. Another platform that you can use is this one over here, which is Warrior Plus. So to find products on here, it's really simple. You come over to the marketplace and you can click on top products, or you can even go via categories if you really wanted to, but you can come on here, go through the top products for the last, well, for today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, etc. But the one platform I would recommend, especially when you're first getting started out, is over on ClickBank. And the reason being is over on ClickBank, it's very simple to get started with, and you can get access to your affiliate link pretty much the same day. Whereas over on platforms like Warrior Plus, 9 times out of 10 you have to be you have to be accepted to promote a product. So if you wanted to go and maybe start promoting this product, you would have to go ahead and send a message over to Jim Mack here, and then you would be able to promote it until he goes ahead and authorizes you, basically, or allows you to promote this. So you can go over to Warrior Plus, you can go over to Market Health, but as an absolute beginner, I'd always recommend starting out over on ClickBank. Now I don't really use ClickBank anymore these days, but when you're first starting out, it's a great platform for you to use. So let me just go ahead and do this. I don't know why it's done that. Sorry. What is going on? I don't know. I've never had to do this before. Let me just go ahead and sign into here. Sign in. You can see I've not actually been in here for a while. So you can see on, oh look at that, I've actually made some money this week. That's awesome, because I don't really, like I said, I don't really market on here anymore. But you want to go over to ClickBank and create a free account over here, and then you come up here where it says Marketplace. Now we're going to find a product to promote. Now on the left hand side here you've got all of these different categories, and you can simply go and search for products up here. Now with this method I would say focus on the top niches, whether that is health and fitness, wealth, relationships, any one of those three. Then you're going to find products, and not only are you going to find products, you're going to find an unlimited amount of ways of how you can earn money using the method I'm going to share with you today. So let's go and have a look at, let's go into cooking, food and wine. Let's do something a bit different. Baking, cook. Let's just go into cooking. So you can go through and have a look at all of these different products. Now on the right hand side here you can see how much you can expect to earn. So this one here, fat burning kitchen, 101 anti-aging foods. If you want to have a look at the products that you'd be promoting, just click on here. It opens up a new tab and you can go ahead and have a look at this. And then once it's loaded up, you can go through and scroll down to the bottom, you'll find the products what you would be effectively sharing. So you can see there's so much information on here. So we've got the fat burning kitchen. Scroll through, bloody that's a long sales page. So look, here is all of the different products that you get with this, and it comes with 100% money back guarantee. So if you was happy with this product here and you wanted to promote this, go back over here. You can see everyone who purchased this, you would earn $16.01. There's also down here, you'll notice it's got an average rebill total. So if people sign up to this, it looks like there's an ongoing monthly offer where you can potentially earn additional income every single month. So go through, find a product, looking through all these different categories down here, and then once you're happy with this one, you'd simply click on promote. Then what's going to happen here is it's going to have your ClickBank name up here. You click on generate hop link, and then it's going to give you this here is your link. So I'm going to copy this here, copy this, and then we're going to shorten this because we don't want to share this really big, long, ugly link. Now, you can use a really simple free website called this one here. It's called bit.ly.com. So you go over here, create an account for free, and then all you're going to do is you're going to shorten the link. So click up here, paste in that long URL, so the one that we've just taken from ClickBank. We've put that in there. Now here, this is our new link. So if I copy this link here, this would be where we're sending people. Now you can actually, if you wanted to, give this a title, or you could change this yourself. So if I do this, what was the product we was promoting? Let's go and have a quick look again. What was it? Fat burning kitchen. Okay. So we'll go over here. So what I would recommend you do is you literally change this link and customize it to the products that you're promoting basically, but for the time being I'm just going to go with this one here, copy this. So this is my new short link. So instead of having that real long ugly one, we've got this one here. So we've found a product, we've got our link, we've shortened our link. The next part is the part which is the traffic part, and this is the part where everybody normally fails. So let me go back over here, let me close down some of these tabs because I've got bloody loads of them open. Close this one and this one. So the next part of this is we're going to go over to Google. And all I've done here is, let me go back and show you this. I've typed in Health Blogs 2019. So this here is going to bring up all of the blogs and websites related to healthy living. So people who are creating content on here and their viewers, they would be very interested in the products that we have, that we found over on ClickBank, and that we're going to be marketing to promote. So if I open this up and scroll down here, you can see, let me just get rid of this. All of these blogs here, you can go through and click on any of these and go through to the blog and have a look at them, and then you're going to literally read the content and leave a comment, leaving a link over to the product or service that you're recommending. So let's go ahead and have a look at this one here, this Fit Foodie Finds. So this is sending us over to this Fit Foodie Finds. This is the website here. Scroll down, you can see we've got all of these different articles on here. So let's just go on to this one here, this slow cooker enchilada. It's going to open up, and then all I'm going to do is, before I mess about with any bit, I'm going to scroll to the bottom and make sure that they accept comments. Now this is loading a bit slow because of the sheer number of ads that they've got on here, so sorry if it's going a bit slow. So you see here, you can actually leave a comment on here. So you can leave a comment here, and then you see here where it says website, you can go ahead and put your link in here. So if I just paste that link that we had from Bit.ly, there is our link to Bit.ly. Now you wouldn't just go ahead and put your link in there, you'd read the article, you would put something in there related to the article, and then you would put a link over to this here, over to the product that you're recommending. So, and I'm just doing this off the top of my head, but you really go through this article. So you do something, great article, oh, bloody hell. So you go in here and you type in great article, really interesting. That's interesting stuff. I really liked, you know, XYZ. XYZ. I recently found this product which has hundreds of recipes, etc. So you kind of get the gist of this. So what we'd do is you'd go through, you'd find a blog related to the product that you're marketing. You're then going to read the article. You're going to a comment. You're not just going to put like a little spammy thing saying, you know, buy this product here. You'd put something, you know, related to the article, commenting about this, and then you just drop it in a bit naturally. So like you're an actual natural reader of the blog saying, you know, I love this article about, in this example here, this crock pot recipes. I recently found this product over here, or this service with all of these benefits, and then you can drop a link on here and you simply click on submit. Now if you scroll down here, you can see other people are leaving comments on here as well, and what will happen is once your scroll back up here, let me close this, once your comment here has been approved, then you simply, this comment would go down below and then you'd have your link on here. So you can include your link here, or you can actually include it here. So I recently found this product which has had hundreds of recipes about XYZ. Check it out. Check it out here. And then you put your link there. And that, honestly, that is it. It's as simple as doing this. So you find a product. Once you've got your product, you get your link, you shorten your link. You then go over to Google and you find websites and blogs related to the product or service that you're doing. You then make sure that they're accepting comments on here. You leave a comment related to the article and you drop a link to the product that you're recommending in here. So this works in any niche. It absolutely works on any platform. You can use ShareASale, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, etc, etc. And that is basically how you do this. Now there's a couple of little tricks that you can do to speed this up as well. So let me show you a couple of these. So let me come out of here. And let me come out of here, and let me come out of this one, because this website here is slowing my laptop down ridiculous. So I'm going to come out of here. Now I'm going to go over to Google Alerts. So let me go over to Google Alerts now. And this is something that you can set up, and it literally takes a minute or so. So you come over to Google, depending on your country, /alerts, and you can create an alert about anything. So in this example here, if we're still going with the example of the weight loss, we type in here and we type in weight loss. Then you click here for show options. You can go and filter this via any region. You can do this via language. You can do this how often you want to get a notification. So at most once a day as it happens. So you can change this to as it happens, any region, only the best results. Go through and filter this via everything you want. Once you're happy with this, you'd click on create alert. Now let me just go back into there as well. Another thing that you can actually do on here is sources. Where it says sources here, you can do automatic, but if you go down to blogs and click on update, what this will do now for you is it will send you an email every time a new blog has put an article out related to weight loss. You will get a notification or an email from Google telling you this website over here or this blog has posted this content about weight loss. You then simply go over to that new article, read the article, leave a comment down below with your link in, and then that will be out on the internet for years for you. This method is simple, as you've seen, it's easy, it's 100% free, and it's evergreen traffic because people are always going to be reading these articles on blogs and websites, and if you've left a decent comment down below with a link to the product or service you're recommending, you can expect to generate traffic for a long time. But it is a numbers game. You're going to have to go through and find these different blogs and comment on there, leaving your affiliate link. And not every single comment you're going to do is going to get approved, so that's why you'll need to speed this up by commenting on more, how you're going to get more success with this is commenting on more blogs. Now, if you're like me and you don't really want to go ahead and comment on lots of blogs, something that you can do is you can actually outsource this work. So you can go over to this website here, which is Fiverr, and as you can see here, I've just typed comment on blogs. You can go through here and get someone to go ahead and comment on blogs for you. So you can go through here and you can find people who will literally go ahead and do this work for you. So go through and find a seller who you're happy with. So I've just found this one here. See, I will do 100 blog comment links. Go through, literally order this from somebody and get them to do this for you. So you can use websites like Fiverr.com, you can use SEO clerks if you wanted to use Freelancer, you've got People by the Hour, Guru.com. There's many more of these websites that you can use. This will cost you money, obviously, because you're going to have to pay someone to go and comment on all of these blogs for you. But if you just want to speed up the whole process and you don't want to be commenting every single day yourself, this is an option for you. But I definitely recommend that you go over to the Google Alerts and create an alert for your keywords, and then every time that content has been put on the web, you can simply go ahead and drop a comment with your affiliate link in the description. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you liked it, please give the video a like. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.